Okay, so my name is Ben Spotswood. I'm a marketing executive at PCL who effectively designs and manufactures pneumatic equipment and inflation equipment. I went to school in Gainsborough, a grammar school called Queen Elizabeth High School, and I stayed there for sixth form as well. I suppose one of the challenges would be that I half failed my first year of sixth form. I failed half my subjects and only took two of my A2s over to my second year and had to pick another two ASs up. Fortunately, Sheffield Hallam, the university I ended up going to, were okay with that because they use UCAS points, and so it was fine. But to be honest, it was one of the best things that I ever did, failing the two subjects and picking up the two new ones, because the two new ones, which were philosophy and ethics and sociology, were really they really shaped me as a person, and really kind of helped me rationalise my thoughts and gave me a perspective that I didn't have before. My job is all about relationship building, so I'm constantly talking to people, and really my role is just to help them completely, help them grow. So it ends up being really quite rewarding. A lot of the stuff that I work on a day-to-day has to be quite creative, has to be quite different. I'm putting a lot of promotions and stuff out there. A lot of it is problem solving, trying to figure out which customer is suited to which kind of strategy. We've got customers that range from multi-branch, 30, 40 branch retail kind of outlets to just a guy in a little shop that owns a van. So a lot of it is figuring out what's right for them and how to really help them grow. Resilience and kind of patience are a big part of it too. Trying to maintain kind of a rational line of thought over a long period of time, because these things don't, you don't pull things off as quickly as you'd like to. Stuff takes a long time. Because we own quite a large site, there's a lot of different roles, and because we're involved in manufacturing, there's loads of different roles. We've got engineers who are designing new products, day in, day out. Some support team who are on the phones, throughout the day to customers. Yeah, don't worry if things don't go to plan. Just work hard, aim high, just try not to take the easy road. There's bound to be failures and hiccups. It'll turn out okay, just keep at it.